Hi everyone, I am Jaya here and welcome to my channel Physics Made Simple with Jaya. Today we will learn about CBSE Physics Grade 8, Chapter 11 Force and Pressure Part 2. The content is Contact and Non-Contact Forces. Hope you went through the Part 1 of Force and Pressure, which explains the definition of force, net effective force, etc. If not, please go through that so that you will understand it very easily. Also subscribe my channel to get the notifications of new topics. Mainly forces are classified into two groups, contact forces and non-contact forces. Contact forces includes muscular force, frictional force, etc. Whereas non-contact forces include magnetic force, electrostatic force, gravitational force, etc. Contact forces. Forces in which two surfaces come in contact are called contact forces. For example, when you kick a football, your leg is come in contact with the ball and the force is applied by the muscles of your leg. So we say muscular force is a contact force. Similarly, you are pushing a door with your hand. It is also muscular force, that is a contact force. Similarly, frictional force is also a contact force. So once again, forces in which two surfaces come in contact are called contact forces. Now, what is muscular force? Force exerted by the muscles of human or animals is called muscular force. For example, you are throwing a stone. Then your hand muscles are doing some work, or we say muscular force is applied there. Similarly, when you pull a cart, your hand muscles are again doing some work, or you are applying muscular force. If a donkey is pulling cart, the donkey is applying muscular force. So muscular force is the force exerted by the muscles of human or animals. Frictional force is also a contact force. What is frictional force? Force exerted between two surfaces when an object moves over another object or surface is called frictional force. We used to spread powder on carom board to reduce friction so that the coins can move very smoothly on the board. On a smooth surface, friction will be less. That's why on a very smooth surface, when you walk on a very smooth floor, if you are walking, you may slip down because your feet is not getting the grip or friction. Friction has an advantage also. A cycle slows down and finally stops when you stop pedaling. Why? This is due to frictional force between the wheel and the road. Friction always reduces the speed of movement, or we say in another way, friction is acting opposite to the direction of motion. Once again, what is friction? The force exerted between two surfaces when an object moves over another object or surface is called frictional force. Non-contact forces. The force acting on an object without coming in contact with it is called non-contact force. Magnetic force, electrostatic force, and gravitational force are examples of non-contact forces. Magnetic force is a non-contact force. Force exerted by the poles of magnets are called magnetic forces. Why it is called non-contact forces? A magnet can attract an iron nail without touching it. So it is called a non-contact force. Similarly, a magnet can attract another magnet also. If the north pole of a magnet is coming in closer with another north pole of another magnet, then these two poles will repel each other. Similarly, south and south poles of two magnets also repel each other. If opposite poles are coming closer, they will attract each other. So once again, magnetic force is the force exerted by the poles of magnets. Some substances like rubber or plastic, when rubbed with some special kind of materials like silk or wool, electrons get shifted from the surface of one object to the surface of the next. Thus, both these objects may get some charge. These charges on their surface are known as static charges. Force acting between static charges is known as electrostatic force. This is also a non-contact force. In this picture, you can see two balloons having similar charge get separated due to electrostatic repulsion between them. So once again, force acting between static charges is known as electrostatic force. Gravitational force is also a non-contact force. What is gravitational force? You learned in smaller class. Force with which objects fall towards the earth is known as gravitational force. But gravity is not the property of earth alone. Every object in the universe exerts a force on every other object. Like earth is attracting moon, there is force of attraction between the planets, between sun and planets, like that. And this force is known as gravitational force. Please practice all definitions by writing many times. Also, collect more examples of forces and classify them as given in this table.